Hi friends, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I hope that you are well at your home, you are seeing our videos, you are getting good knowledge. Today I have to come with you continuation of sequence of number system about mean method. Today we are going to discuss the mean method. More than of two numbers, many numbers will be there in the question. We have to write in easiest manner without any tension, without wasting the time also. The process today we are going to learn, dear children. Let us see. To find the rational number between two distinct rational number by using mean method. Friends, I want to tell you, between any two rational number, infinite number of rational numbers are there. For example, I should ask one question to you. Between 1 and 2, how many numbers are there? Somebody is saying 1.25, 1.5, 1.75. Right? It is not correct. Because between 1.0 to 1.1 also, we cannot find how many rational numbers are there. Because infinite rational numbers are there. But 1, 2, some particular countable rational numbers will be there. We can find that rational number by using this mean method. Let us see that mean method, friend. For example, A and B are any two rational number. Between I have to find one rational number. Simple. Average of these two numbers. Average of these two numbers. B should get one middle rational number. We can say that A must be less than B. Here compulsory A must be less than B. First number must be less than B. We can find A less than of middle number A plus B by 2 less than B. This is very important, friend. Here if the question consists any two numbers, the first number must be less than of second number, and we should find by using A plus B by 2 any rational number. Let us see the process I want to tell you. Now here, dear friends, here A is, what about A? Minus 3. What about B here? 5. Find one rational. He is asking only one rational number. Means A plus B by 2 nothing but minus 3 plus 5 by 2 nothing but 2 by 2 nothing but 1. Yes, minus 3 to 5. 1 will be there in a number line. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1. 1 will be there. Right? Now let us see one more good question. Fraction question. Here also A equals to minus 1 by 3, B equals to 1 by 4. Find one rational number. He is asking here also one rational number. For suppose he is asking here two rational numbers. No problem. We can do that. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 2. Because the formula will be A plus B by 2. A is less than of B. Here also A is less than of B. Condition will be satisfied. 4 1 ja 4 minus 4. 3 1 ja 3. And 4 3 ja 12. Already we here 2 will be there. So minus 1 by 24 is the first rational number between minus 1 by 3 to 1 by 4. Right? I am doing cross multiplication. Then I simplify it. I have to get minus 1 by 24. But he is asking two rational number. For suppose two rational number. Simple. You can take first number as is. What you are getting, that result is as a second number. You should consider it. Then apply the same formula, dear friend. A plus B by 2. Which means minus 1 by 3. Plus of minus 1 by 24 by 2. Right? Now minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 24 by 2. They are plus into minus only. Now going to do the cross multiplication, or else you have to do LCM method also. Your choice. I am going to do the cross multiplication. 24 into minus 1 minus 24. Minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 by 24 3 ja 72. Already a 2 will be there, dear friends. Here both are having negative sign, both are positive, both are negative. We should add it and sign is common. Minus 24 minus 3 minus 27 by 72 2 ja 144. This is the second rational number between these two. First rational number is minus 1 by 24. Second rational number is minus 27 by 144. He is asking third rational number, means if we are going to do this question, we are time consumption process. 5 rational numbers also, it is not easy for this process. 10 rational numbers will be asking, it is not easy for by doing this process. What kind of question? That kind of question. In what way we have to do? Yes, I will tell you the technique also. Let us see the technique, dear friends, in one example. Insert 9 rational numbers. 9 rational number. In first example, what we have done? In first example, what we have done? Two rational number, one rational number by using mean method A plus B by 2. Average of two numbers. But here 9 rational number, 10 rational numbers will be there. No, by using same condition, it will take minimum 2 to 3 papers. It will take minimum 15 to 20 minutes. But in the exam, we have to do smart calculation, smart question. We have to solve in smart way. because you are smart people. Now here 9 rational numbers between 0.1 to 0.2, 5 to 10 rational number between 3 and 4. Here decimals, here general integers are there. Now dear friends, insert, you have to write any kind of rational number between two distinct rational number. We have to go with the process will be a plus b by 2. You know, as you know very well this process. But more than numbers will be there. The formula will be a plus of first rational number will be divided b minus a by n plus 1. Second number a plus of second rational number will be divided by b minus a by n plus 1. And I want third rational number means a plus of third rational number will be divided by n plus 1. Means a and b are two distinct rational numbers. If you find many rational number between a and b, this b minus a, difference of second number first number will be divided by n plus 1. That number we should add with first number abusively, sequentially. Means first number add with b minus a divided by n plus 1. First number add with b minus a divided by n plus 1 multiplied with 2. Third rational number multiplied with 3 and so on. We have to go with a plus n of b minus a divided by n plus 1. This is the way we are going to discuss the. I apply this technique, we should get the answer very easy. By seeing the first example, then you can understand 100%. Let us see. Find 10 rational number. Here friends, here first number is 3. I told you first number must be less than of second number. 3 is less than of 4. Its condition will be satisfied. How many rational numbers is asking here? 10. I told you very clearly, a plus b by 2 we are getting first rational number, second like that. But time saving process, we should apply this formula. First rational number is nothing but first number will be added by difference of two rational number will divided by n plus 1. Means a plus of b minus a by n plus 1, nothing but a 3 plus b minus a 4 minus 3. Dear friends, you should observe only one step, then automatically it will come one by one. N is 10 plus 1 3 plus 4 minus 3 1 by 11. 10 plus 1 11. Do the CM method, cross multiplication. 11 3 is 33, 1 1 is 1. 33 plus 1 34 by 11. By doing cross multiplication, I am getting 34 by 11. This is the first rational number. Now I am going to ask second, third, fourth. You don't do like this process. Directly you should write 34 value, next value 35, next 36, next 37, next 38, next 39, next 40. Like this you can write. First rational number, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. These are the 10 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Yes, abusively. For example, you should guess it. Ninth rational number. You want ninth rational number, no? 9. A plus of 9 of b minus a by n plus 1. A value 3. 9. B minus a value 4 minus 3. N plus 1 value 11. N plus 1 value 11. Here 3 plus 4 minus 3 value 1 by 11. Okay, na beta? Now 3 plus 9 1 is 9 by 11. Do the cross multiplication. 11 3 is 33. 1 9 is 9 by 11. 33 plus 9 42 by 11. Ninth rational number. This is 10th. This is 9th. You see how it is magic. So this is the way we have to find the many kind of rational number between two irrational number. This process is very easy, right, my dear friends? And we are going to discuss this question also, then you can understand 20, 100, 200%. Short example about mean method. Okay, now here a equals first number is 0.1, second number is 0.2, n is 9 rational number between these two. Okay, now my dear friends, first rational number, simple we can write. First rational number a plus of b minus a by n plus 1. Very important this formula for part B area also, dear friends. And here a value is 0.1, b minus a means 0.2 minus 0.1 because b is 0.2, a is 0.1 by n plus 1. Here by only, here only, not for this value. So n plus 1, 9 plus 1, 0.1. Now subtraction of these two, 0.1 by 10. So will be there. the point will be moved here, right? So that becomes to 0.01. 0.1 by 10 nothing but 0.01. Sum of these two, 0.11, it is a decimal value, its fractional value is nothing but 11. Point remove means 11, point means 1, point after 2 digits will be there, 2 zeros. So first rational number will be 11 by 100, dear friends. Now you have to write second rational, third rational, fourth rational, very easy manner. Let us see. Second rational number 11, you should add 1, 12. 12 by 100, 13 by 100, 14 by 100, 15 by 100, 16 by 100, 17 by 100, 18 by 100, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 19 by 100. This is the 9 up to 9 rational number between 0.1 and 0.2. I should check it. 9th rational number, I should check it. 9th rational number is what? 19 by 100, no? I should check it here. A place of 9th rational number. 9 number, keep it. B minus A by n plus 1. A value 0.1. 9. B minus A 0.2 minus 0.1 because B is 0.2, A is 0.1 by n plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 0.1. 9. This subtraction of these two, 0.1 by 10. I told you very clearly. 9, 0.1 by 0.1 by 10 nothing but 0.01. 9 of 0.01. Now 0.1, 9 1 are 9, 0 0. Point 2 numbers back. 0.09. 0.09 is nothing but 0.09 0.19. 0.19 nothing but 19 by 100. This kind of good question. We have to find 9 or 10 or 15, whatever it is, what kind of question. Any number, any middle of the number also randomly is asking the question. Maybe you can solve by applying this kind of formula. You will get the answer in order without any tension. I hope that you have to understand, strongly understand mean method, how to find the fractions and decimals, whatever it is, very happily, very easily also. Now, my request is that you are a new person, new viewer of our channel. Now, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends, give your comments also. Now, till then, practice well. Now, schools are started. You have to go with the regular school and get the good knowledge and see our channel. And you have any doubt, you comment me, you ask the question, I will solve the answer. Thank you.